Let's start. The project name is the navigation drawer. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity, and 3 fragments, fragments 1, 2, and 3. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Fragment_1.xml file, which is the layout of fragment 1. And fragment_2.xml file, which is the layout of fragment 2. Fragment_3.xml file, which is the layout of fragment 3. A content_view.xml file, which is the main container view of the app. And an header_view.xml file, which is the header portion of the navigation drawer. And in the menu folder, we have a drawer_menu.xml file, which defines the menu items of the navigation drawer. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have drawer layout as the root layout. Then we have a coordinator layout. Inside the coordinator layout, we have an app bar layout. Inside the app bar layout, we have a material toolbar. The navigation icon attribute is set to a burger menu image. This is icon opens and closes the navigation drawer. Below the app bar layout, we included the content_view.xml file. Here we have the navigation view, which is the actual navigation drawer. The header layout attribute is set to header_view. XML file. The menu attribute is set to drawer_menu.xml file. In the content_view.xml file, we just have a constraint layout as the root layout. All the fragments will be shown within this constraint layout. In the header_view.xml file, we have the constraint layout as the root layout. Then we have an image view and text view, which will be used to show the user's profile picture and user's name. In the fragment 1, 2, and 3, we simply have a text view in the UI. In the drawer_menu.xml file, we have this menu. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity that implements navigation view. On navigation item selected listener, this interface has a function called on navigation item selected. This function handles the navigation drawer menu item click events. In the onCreate function, we have called the showFirstFragment method and set up navigation drawer method. In the showFirstFragment method, this is how we load the fragment 1. In the setup navigation drawer method, this is how we set the toolbar and the navigation drawer. The onPostCreate function, and onConfigurationChanged function, and onOptionsItem selected function handle the navigation drawer toggle when the menu items change and when the device orientation changes. And sync the menu item state when selected. This is the onNavigationItem selected function, which we had discussed earlier. When a menu item is clicked, we show a toast. We load the respective fragment when the menu item is clicked. We close the navigation drawer when the menu item is selected. Here, when the back button of the device is pressed, we close the navigation drawer if it is already open. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a navigation drawer in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.